This lecture is an introduction to a series that focuses on the products of research. A product embodies a research result in a form that can be diffused to other researchers and all other people who may have an interest in it. By and large, research products are in the form of scientific publications. For this reason, future lectures will focus on writing papers, on the way papers are reviewed prior to publication, and on the publishing world. We will also discuss other forms of diffusion that are becoming more and more relevant, such as prototypes, software packages, data sets, videos, and so on. Before we do that, however, we need to better understand what is a research result and when and why it deserves diffusion. A result is a unit of knowledge or an artifact that was not available before and can be of interest for others who may use it to further advance research or practice. During a research, one may produce several results. A paper describing a novel solution of the problem faced by the research, a prototype implementation, a paper describing a generalization of the previously proposed solutions, and so on. Each of these may be of interest to other researchers who are working on the same or similar problems. The next question is why research results are diffused. I would say that diffusion is connatural to research. Research is a collective effort, and scientists working in the same area naturally share their results. They benefit from the results of their peers and can build on top of them with new contributions that advance progress in the area. Any limitations to diffusion, sometimes imposed by the funding organization, for example, industry funding a specific research, are viewed as burdens by researchers. A further question I wish to address is, when do we have a result ready for diffusion? The answer mainly boils down to the question, is this result of interest to others? Is the product that embodies the result in a state that allows whoever may be interested to benefit from it? To answer these questions, we should refer to the three main attributes of a research product we introduced in an earlier lecture: originality, significance, rigor. Originality means that the results embodied in the product, for example a paper, are novel. They were not known before. Significance means that the results of research exert or have the potential to exert an influence on other research, on industry, or on society. Rigor refers to the intellectual integrity of the research process and the way the results are demonstrated. In the case of empirical research, this refers to the way experimental data are collected and analyzed. For theoretical research, it may refer to the rigor of mathematical formalization. Originality, significance, and rigor are not binary attributes. A research may have high or low originality, significance, and rigor. Originality, significance, and rigor are also relative to the specific audience to which the product is directed. They are also relative to the kind of product in which the result is embodied. Suppose that the same result is presented to a highly specialized research audience or to practitioners. The rigor of the mathematical treatment in the first case must be higher than in the second. Likewise, consider the case where a research product is a survey paper. A survey paper is intrinsically lower in originality than a paper describing a new result. The minimum threshold for originality to justify the usefulness of the contribution should be lower. To deserve diffusion, a product should be scored beyond a minimum threshold in all the three dimensions and score well in at least one. The researcher should carefully assess readiness of the product with respect to originality, significance, and rigor before diffusing it to a given audience.